Hey, what is up, builders and makers? I'm just doing today a really quick Christmas house tour. So I'll be recording and uploading this on the 6th of January 2021. I know there are people who are already putting away their decorations, but mine are probably going to be up till February. So you saw the ceramic tree and the wreath that I made. Oh yeah, and these cool lights that are around the window in the kitchen. I buy myself fresh flowers whenever I can, but those ones just seemed especially cool. So that's nativity set number 1, and you'll notice baby Jesus isn't in because I filmed that before Christmas. This is now my dining room, and I'll get back to the baby Jesus thing in a minute, but this is the window in my dining room. Those aren't Christmas. Huh. I've got multiple nativity sets from my, I don't know, like that one is very old. But I get them from all sorts of places and they're usually quite small. It's because I like miniature things. But I've also, even though I'm not a devout Catholic, I don't think I've been to Mass in 20 years, honestly. It's been 25 years since my last confession. I've still got this weird superstitious thing about putting baby Jesus out. So all my baby Jesuses, like, before Christmas Day, will just be headed somewhere and they'll be entertained or frightened by Santa. Oh yeah, that's a cool little thing. It's just a globe. There's a lot of battery-operated string lights and those battery-operated trees as well from IKEA. This is the best. My grandfather built that one. That's older than me. That might be older than my mother. That crush. It's my sad little Norfolk pine. He's growing back, but he's growing back from new growth. What else can I show you? I'm just showing you everything. So we've got a lot of battery operated string lights. They're really cool now because a lot of them are on a timer, and since I work, and I'm actually working outside the home, I don't have to think about switching the lights on or anything. They just come on. That's what everything looks like during the daytime. Some of this was filmed before Christmas and some of it after, so yeah, isn't that something? Those figures are pretty much 1950 original as well. It's my little Norfolk pine again. And that's the little tree-foot Christmas tree that we got at Menards. I could not get my camera to focus. And it's a mixture of like vintage ornaments and vintage looking ornaments, mostly. That's our aesthetic. I didn't have a tree topper, so I did the thing. If you went to Catholic school, you did that in 3rd grade. You made an angel out of paper for tree topper, so I did that again. Because I remembered it the way a goose remembers how to fly south for winter. So that's some of the stuff. That's in the front hallway, our little village, which has started to claim eminent domain over the rest of the house. I do like to collect those tiny houses. And the candy dish again, we just leave that ghost out. That's in my bedroom, so that's a geranium that I did from a cutting, and it's starting to sprout roots. And the little frosty fern I got, little wooden reindeer, another nativity set. It's the last one, I promise. And this little soft snowman thingy. He's cute. He just looks out the window. So yeah, Chris had a good Christmas. He doesn't know what Christmas means. Boo also had a good Christmas. He got a new toy. He also got batteries for his laser pointer. Santa actually managed to get the right batteries for the laser pointer. Those button cells, they're tricky. So yeah, that is my Christmas house with my Christmas animals. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. You are the best.